Well friends, here is one more problem. The given problem is 54 minus 10 divided by 18 is equal to 7. Okay. First let me consider the given question as 54 minus 10 divided by 18 is equal to 7. Now what we have to do? We have to replace the given numbers or signs. That means we have to interchange the given numbers or signs according to the given options. Now according to the first option, 54 and 10 should be interchanged. Now 54 should be replaced by what? Now it is 10 minus this 10 should be replaced by what? 54. Okay. 54 divided by 18 is equal to 7. Now friends, if you just look at 10 minus 54, you may think that the given option may be wrong. But remember, what you have to do? You have to use the BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, the division comes first. For that what I'll do? I'll keep 10 minus as it is. Now 54 divided by 18. What is 54 divided by 18? Of course it is 3 is equal to 7. Now what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 is equal to 7. See, look at friends. The first option itself is making the equation meaningful. Therefore, I'll not solve other options. I'll consider the first option is the right option. We will see some more number of problems.